2024 saw the enactment of the Companies Corporate Governance Enforcement and Regulatory Provisions Bill, which introduces significant amendments to the Companies Act 2014. Commencement of this Act is expected in early 2025, at which stage its enhanced corporate governance measures and streamlined company law procedures will be available for Irish companies. So as we head into 2025, what is going to change? One company law procedure that has been helpfully streamlined is the domestic merger by absorption process. A change worthy of mention is that once the Act is commenced, it will be possible for multiple mergers by absorption into the same parent to take place in one transaction rather than having to be documented separately, as is presently the case. The Act is also putting some corporate governance measures that were introduced on a temporary basis during the COVID-19 pandemic on a permanent footing. Of particular interest will be the fact that the ability of companies to hold general meetings, either entirely virtually or in a hybrid fashion, will become a permanent measure. Interestingly, companies will also be able to opt out of this provision and choose to only hold physical meetings. A change in the area of enforcement is also worthy of mention. On commencement of the Act, we will see the introduction of 3 additional grounds under which a company can be struck off the register. The first is where a company has failed to make required filings on the Register of Beneficial Ownership. The second is where a company has failed to notify the CRO of a change of registered office. And the third is the failure of a company to record that it has a company secretary. As we await commencement of the Companies Corporate Governance Enforcement and Regulatory Provisions Act, Irish companies should understand and, as necessary, prepare for these changes to remain compliant and to leverage the benefits of more efficient corporate procedures. If you do have any questions on these changes, please do reach out to a member of our corporate governance team.